So to make a 8D song, at first you need an application called Audacity. You can get it out from website for free. It's an audio editing software. Okay, now you can drag and drop the track in Audacity. And after dropping, now press on this blue place, and now in your keyboard click Ctrl plus D to duplicate the track. Okay, now after duplicating, now you will need to pan it to left or right ear. Okay, so first audio, you can pan the audio completely towards the left ear, and for the second audio, now you can pan it completely towards the right ear. Okay, now on top of the section there is a small tool called envelope tool. Okay, now you can click on that tool, and with that tool now you will need to decide how much duration you will need to leave in between switching from left ear to right ear. So mostly everyone choose 5 to 10 seconds. If you want, if you are just doing this for like a trial or something, you can just try for 15 seconds, but best is 10 or 5. So I'm choosing right now 10 seconds. So at first you can give a click to the first 0 second, and you'll need to do the same for the second track too. Okay, now after each line, at this line is 5 seconds, 10, 15, there it goes on, and now after 10 seconds, and that's over here, now you'll need to give a click over there, and then at the second track also you will need to give a click. So now you will need to keep giving this click until the end of the track, like this. Okay, now after adding all these clicks, now the major thing which you will need to do is adjusting the gains of each track. Okay, that will make the effect of 8D. Okay, so at first, so now I'm choosing the left ear to start off with. So the left ear, at starting at the first click, you can drag and drop it to the most top so that it's full sound. Okay, now at the second track you will need to drag and drop it a bit down, almost up to here, and then I am using to measure the distance using the size of the envelope tool. Okay, you can just choose that size if you want. That's the best size, but so it means that the gain is really low but not completely quiet, just a little bit of sound. Okay, so now in the first audio you will need to reduce the gain low down like this, and then in second audio you will need to increase the gain completely towards the up. Okay, now you'll need to keep repeating this step until the end, something like this. After doing that, now you will need to go ahead and do a final step, and that is press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard and to select both the track. And now you will need to go on the top section. There's a section called effects. Under that section there's an option called reverb. Now go to that option, and then in that option there is, you'll get a box like this, and in this box you will need to make the room size to 100%. On default I think it's set to 75. Make it completely towards 100 and click OK. And now after doing that, now the 8D track is finished. So this is what you will need to do to create a 8D track. Okay, now to export the audio, you can just go to, on top there is file, and then after that export, and then you can export as mp3 or wave or as FLAC. So now I'm exporting it as FLAC. You can select that, and then select all the levels to the maximum, and then you can click export. And after doing all these steps, I will do a preview of it. If this video helped you guys, make sure to like the video, that will inspire me to create more videos like this, and then make sure to subscribe, that will help me a lot, and make sure to comment in the comment section below your doubts regarding this, or if you have any suggestion for any new videos to put, you can feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one.